Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit double-sided press studs with a green machine. So, double-sided press studs come in 4 different parts. We have the cap, the stud, the socket and the post. So, this also means you have included 4 different parts to your die set. So we have 2 base dies that both have different size holes on them for the cap and the post. We then have 2 different top dies, one for the stud and one for the socket. First we'll make 2 holes in our material. So I'm going to take a 3mm hole cutting die. Screw that in. I'm going to punch one hole on one end and one hole on the other. This is just some cork fabric we have here. It works well with leather as well. Pull out any excess that there is. There is. And now we can change this all over for our fixing die. So unscrew that. So we can take our first base die, which is going to be the larger one out of the 2. Pop that into the machine. This is going to hold your cap, which is going to look like that. That goes onto the bottom. We're then going to take this top die here, and this is going to hold your socket. We'll screw that into the top. I'm going to take the socket, which looks like this, and we're going to push that into the top die. I'm going to take my material. I'm going to push the stem of the cap through there, and then we're going to compress down. And that's what you'll be left with. So your socket on one side and your cap on the other. Swap these die sets over now. We're going to take our smaller base die now. That's going to hold the post, which looks like this. And then we'll take our other top die, screw that into the top of the machine. And that's going to hold our stud, which looks, I can hold it like this. And that pushes into the top die. And again, we'll take our material, we'll push the post through the hole that we made, and then we'll just compress down. That should be all fixed into place now, and they should just snap together. And you're all done.